Welcome back to VXvue Quick Guide. My name is Claire Pan and I'll be explaining about the exposure mode on this video. Now, exposure mode is where you make X-ray exposure and work with the patient images. To make sure you're ready to acquire X-ray image, the first thing you would want to do is to check if the exposure indicator status is set as ready. You'll see that it's currently noted as not registered, and this means there are two things that you need to do to change the status to ready. First, see if the target detector is ready and connected to the viewer. These icons here indicate the detector status. You can see if it's wired, connected with Wi-Fi, whether it's active or in a sleep mode. To activate the detector, just click on it and the detector will be connected within 20 seconds. As a side note, please check if the icon is beeping, as it indicates that there are backup images stored at your target detector. Second, make sure you have a study or exam open. Study refers to an individual X-ray exam of a patient, and it could include more than one step. Now, step is a basic unit of exposure condition of the exposed body part, orientation, and patient size information. You can open a study at the registration mode, but when you have an emergency where you don't have the time to register a new patient in the general procedure, you can simply click on a step on the anatomy diagram here, and it'll let you take the X-ray image on their urgent patient. You'll see that VXvue is now ready for X-ray exposure. When you have checked the system and if the patient is ready, you're ready for X-ray exposure. You'll see the information overlay from all four sides of the image. You can change the location of which information to show at the setting mode. When you wish to work with the image, click on the maximum button here. You can use the functions to zoom in or out, rotate, change the layouts and annotations, or use diverse tools. You can select your frequently used tool to be assigned here by changing the setting of your quick access at the setting mode. VXvue can be integrated into various external devices such as generator, collimator, DAP, and other X-ray equipments. You can check the supported devices and the integration guides from our System Integration Guide for VXvue. When VXvue is integrated with the system, the UI changes depending on the system it's connected to. So this is an example of what you'll see if it's connected to a generator. You can easily adjust X-ray conditions here, enabling much faster and simplified workflow. But please note that VXvue may not support dose condition adjustment depending on your generator specification. You can also preset specific dose conditions for each step. For example, when you have those conditions for chest PA set in advance, VXvue will automatically send the saved values to the integrated generator. This way, you won't have to manually change the conditions every time. You can change the dose conditions and the parameters from Procedure Manager at the setting mode. Let's go for X-ray exposure. You'll see the dose conditions on the image which were actually used. These values are received from the generator every time an X-ray image is acquired. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.